Hello, good afternoon everyone. Question number 2018 on custom duties. Question number 11. The question is like this. An Indian dealer imported a computer from London. So this was not based on those three countries. From the following information, determine the assessable value and custom duty payable if the rate of exchange is £1 equal to 80 rupees. That is exchange rate starting only given. So one thing that you have to remember that in the previous question, I think if you are not still clear that 2019 paper, any expenses incurred at the Indian land, if it is a goods come from the outside the India to India, right, then the custom duty comes. If any expenses paid in India, once the goods reach to the place of the Indian soil, whatever the expenses made, that is the design, development, any kind of expenses is paid, that is not to be included in the CIF. That is not included in the assessable value, right? So if you see the previous question, that is if I show you all your previous question, the previous question is like that only, that is development charges paid at the Indian the land, right? Once the goods are reached to the particular place, in that place if it is paid any expenses, that expenses is not considered. Here also it is there some expenses, will go to one by one. So the cost of computer is how much? 10,000 pounds. So 10,000 pounds into 80 rupees. 80 rupees 1 pound rate, exchange rate. And the answer is like this. Cost of the computer. So I will share the first show you. I will show you only in pound now. So these are the pounds now. 10,000 pounds. So you have to add now whatever the expenses incurred. I said that any expenses incurred at the Indian soil, once the goods reach from London to India, if it reach to importer's place if it is any expenses paid, not considered, right? So will you, I think it is clear to each one of you. So now you show the you will get the idea. Packing charges, so this should be added 500 pounds. See the 500 pounds packing charges is actually written here. This was the 500 pounds, right? This was the 500 pounds answer. The next one is packing charges is clear. Now we'll move to the next one is in the question transportation charges, right? Transportation charges nothing but it is just like a freight, right? We'll attempt this one later. First we have to find the FOB, then F, then I. Leave this one. For transportation charges nothing but it was a freight only. Commission paid to the broker of a exporter who arranged in the deal, that is 100 pounds. One more commission is there. Commission paid to his agent to settle the price of the computer. So there are two kinds of commission. I said that commission paid by importer is not considered, one, and second one is commission paid to the agent is not considered. Is it clear? So both the 100 pounds, then you will see the answer now. See, commission paid by broker is considered. Commission paid by agent is not considered. It is not a part of your FOB. Remember, importer's payment or paid commission or a commission paid to agent is not a part of or not included in the FOB. I think it is clear to each one of you. In the theory PDF, I think I given in the baggage theory it is there. All you read this part. Then move to the installation now. Which one? Installation. So installation charges is how much? Rupees 3,000. Sorry, not rupees, in pound. See the question now. So commission E and F is clear now. Broker commission is this. Agent commission is not considered. Broker commission is agreed. Then amount paid to an employee of exporter for assembling in India. The goods are comes to in India and it is assembled here. So that cost is not considered. Cost of installation charges. This is not the paid by assemble expenses. So see, assemble expenses employee for exporter. So amount paid to an exporter. Actually, exporter is incurred for this. So not importer is incurred. Exporter, the importer paid to exporter. Why? To install the normally the importer paying the money for installation charges. So this the installation charge for assembling charges is considered. So only it is added here 3,000. Then move to the next point. Next point is this importer had sent a certain software worth rupees 1 lakh to be installed in computer at free of cost. It is a free of cost, the software it is included. Who they did this one? Importer spent this amount at the importer's place. Software normally installed in the importer's place, not exporter place computers. So this one is not considered as cost of the software because it is paid at the Indian soil. It is not given, but installation of software it is in the Indian land. Next, royalty. Royalty, two types are there. So we will see the royalty. See here now. This one. Import this one over. As per the terms of buyer had to pay a royalty of 2,000 pounds to IBM Japan for transferring technology. Next, royalty paid for each unit of computer reproduced in India. Reproduced in India. This I is not considered because it is reproduced in India. If it is in India, this royalty is paid, it is not considered. So this H is considered because of the royalty paid by importer to the exporter. So this one is considered. This reproduced actually it is not considered. So I will show it this in nil. Actually it was by mistake it comes, right? So by mistakenly it actually entered. So I think I said it nil now. Then development charges 3,000 is there. So where this development charges is incurred, right? See the point number J. Design and development expenses incurred outside India. Outside India it is there. So it is added. So only it is outside India it is added 3,000. Then transportation charges. This one. Transportation charges from airport to the factory. I said that it is already entered into Indian soil. Then from airport to factory. This is not considered as a FOB. It is not a part of FOB. So leave this one. But this transportation charge we need to take down. Which one? 3,000. Just we will adjust that one later. Then basic custom duty is 10% and 28% is the IGST, right? So we'll see this one later. So move to the solution now. Now up to here it is over. Now we add the total. Total means from here to here you have to add up to here. So from this number to this number you have to add. It was 18,600 total. So once 18,600 comes, then this was a FOB as per what actually FOB as per customs. On the FOB as per customs, on this you convert into Indian currency. So I think this Indian currency, this one is 18,600. One number is wrongly taken. See, 18,600 into 80, it comes 80 rupees the conversion rate. Conversion rate you pound it to rupees. So 14,88,000 is the value of customs Indian rupees. So on Indian rupees, this one, right? On this one, you need to compare the freight 20% of FOB. See, your freight is how much? 20% of this Indian rupees, 20% of this, not this one. 20% of how much? Of 14,88,000, not 18 lakh. It was changed now, revised now. 14,88,000, 20%, or how much? Rupees 24 lakh. How this 24 lakh comes? Sorry, 2 lakh 40 comes. I will show you in the question. See, 3,000 pounds is their freight transportation. 3,000 pounds into 80 rupees. So 3,000 into 80 rupees, 2 lakh 40 comes. That is actual. Then how much your the rate is there? The conversion rate, that is 20%, 80 rupee into 3,000 is 2 lakh 40. Now you find that this FOB as per Indian rupees, this amount 20%. See, here is there 20% of this. So 20% of 14 lakh 88,000, its 20% means it comes here it is there. So the value comes 29, so 2,97,600 or 2,40,000. So out of these two, you think that out of these two, which one is the least? Least number is 2,40,000. So 2,40,000 is considered. Then insurance is given in the problem itself. How much insurance is there? I think insurance is here now. 500 into 80. So 500 into 80. how much? 500 into 8 is 40,000. So total is this one. So you have to add 1, 2, 3. So you will get 17 lakh 68,000 is the assessable value. On this 17 lakh 68,000. So as per rule I am saying, so 17 lakh 68,000 into 38%. So how much it comes? So 17 lakh 68,000. I will show 17 lakh 68,000 into 38.5%. Remember, it was different in the question. So answer is how much? 6,80,680 is the answer. This is the as per the 38.5 at present rate, 35 plus 10% surcharge. But as per this question in 2018, the rate is how much? 10% and IGST is 28%. If we do this one 10% and 28% as per the question only, the answer is like this. Now it was not comes to you 10 and 28%. Now it comes to you 38%. So 35% plus 10% surcharge. That was 38.5 only. If it is not given rate, you should take 38.5 only by adding a surcharge only. If you find the 10%, 28%, what was the answer? It is simple. If you are following the same question, see, it is like this: 10% of BCD, 10% BCD. BCD is 10%. So 10% of this amount. So you will get 17 lakh 1768,000, that is 1,76,800. Then what is your IGST? Is the 28% IGST, 28% IGST. The answer is, so 28% of which one you have to find? 17 lakh 68,000 you have to find. So the answer comes like this: 4,95,040. So this was the answer for you. If they are asking you to find the as per the rate, if it is given in the exam 10%, 28% only, you use like this. If it is not given, this 38.5% is the present rate. How this 38.5 comes? I think I said many times. 35% is BCD, 10% is what actually? 10% is surcharge. 35% of 100 is 35 rupee, and this 10% of 35 is how much? 3.5 comes. 3.5. So its total is how much? 38.5. So I did that 38.5 total. So like this solution comes. I think the question is over. The question is like this: you need to find the assessable value as well as custom duty payable. So both the answers are here now. I hope that this solution is clear to each one of you. So this solution is based on which paper? Question paper 2018. Sorry, 2018, not this one, is 2019. It was repeated. This question is 2103 as per our record, and the paper is 2018, not 2019. So this was the answer for your question, right? If you have still any doubts, you feel free to ask me. So as of now, I said yesterday also, your syllabus is now over. So I solved all question papers, and other topic question paper also it is clear. It was repeated already. You prepare yourself that now onwards, if you have any doubts, then only I will rectify. Otherwise, your syllabus is over. Some of you said that some theories are not sent. I will send you theory. And if you still have any doubts in the question paper or solution of the problems or any solved questions difficulties, you feel free always to put the question, right? Thank you very much. You just be with that one. The solutions are there. You send the queries. Thank you. Bye bye.